Hi there, yet another video to improve your words. There are, again, 3 words that we're going to revise. Word number 1, vanguard. To be the most advanced or developed business, person, etc. in a particular area of work. Word number 2, spasmodic. Relating to a muscle spasm or happening for short, irregular periods, not continuously. Word number 3, pragmatic. Dealing with problems in a sensible, practical way instead of strictly following a set of ideas. Today we are going to learn concur. Concur. C-O-N-C-U-R. To agree, be in accord with, unite in opinion, happen simultaneously. Concur comes from the Latin con, together, and to curare, to run, flow, and means literally to run or flow together, go along with. That derivation has led to 3 slightly different meanings of the word. First, concur may be used to mean to act together, combined in having an effect, as time and chance concurred in our success. Second, concur may be used to mean happen together, occur at the same time, coincide, as his pay rise concurred with his promotion. The third and most common meaning of the word is to agree, as your story concurs with theirs. We concurred on almost every point of negotiation. To concur is to agree or approve of something. If someone says something you agree with, you can say, I concur. Like many words with con, concur has to do with agreement and being together. When you concur, you agree with someone about something or let them know you approve. I concur. I concur is a formal and sometimes humorous way of saying I agree or I hear that. Also, 2 events that happen at the same time can be said to concur, that is, coincide. People are happy when good things concur, like when a birthday and nice weather happen at the same time. Concur. C-O-N-C-U-R. To agree with someone or have the same opinion as them or happen at the same time.